Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to Avalon Public School at home. So children, in previous class I told you a very beautiful story, The Liberator, about Abraham Lincoln. So Abraham Lincoln was one of the greatest president of the United States of America. Okay? And he was known because he removed slavery from his country forever and kept it united. So in this class, children, we are going to learn about SR 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, children. Now open SR 7, page number 12 of your book. Here we are going to learn vowel sound of alk. What is alk? So first word is chalk. What is chalk? Walk, talk, buck, sidewalk, stalk, moonwalk, cock. Look children here, A-L-K. L is there, but L is silent. Okay. Now A vowel sound like water, sweat, swamp, squabble, watch, wander, swan, quantity, swamp. Okay children, these are arc and A vowel sound. Now look here, I'm telling you a short story. Seema, Neha and I. How to use these short vowel words in sentence. So look into this story. Seema, Neha and I walk and talk on the sidewalk. We wander and talk. Wander means move aimlessly. We are lost. Neha and Seema squabble and don't talk. I watch them and cannot do much. I want them to talk, but they bark and go home on their own. Okay, children. Now come to SR 8, page number 13. Here, Lincoln loved to learn. Lincoln loved to learn. He had a great curiosity to learn new things and to study. He faced a lot of problems in his childhood because he was very poor. Okay, so Abraham Lincoln was the 16th president of the United States of America, that's called USA. He worked hard to make it to the White House, the house of the president of the USA. Okay, children, that's called White House, where the president of USA lived. He was born on February 12, 1809 in Kentucky log cabin. It was a wild place which had more bears than books. So Abe, as he was lovingly called, belonged to a poor family. So their cabin had just one room and one window. The floors were dirty. Abe's bed was made from corn husks. Abe worked hard, but he wanted to learn. He went to school when he could, but he mostly learned on his own. Without paper, Abe did math on the back of a wooden spoon. Without a pencil, he used a burnt stick. So books were hard to find on the frontier. Abe read anything he could get his hands on. He often borrowed books from his friends. So one day the rain soaked a book. Okay, children, rain soaked a book he had borrowed from his friend. Means he has taken a book from his friend, but at the night the rain fell and book soaked. Abe worked 3 days in his friend's field to pay him back. When Abe was 9, his mother died. His father got a new wife. She owned some books. To Abe, those books were worth a lot. Abe and his stepmother became great friends. When chorus were done, she wanted Abe to read and write because she was a good mother. Abe loved books and the words and ideas in them. Abe wanted to become a lawyer. Lawyer means, children, a person who practices for studies of law. He did not have money to pay for college. He found a creative solution. Creative means having original ideas to create something. कुछ बनाने की इच्छा. He taught himself the law by borrowing books and working with lawyers. He passed the law exam and became a lawyer. One day, his own words and ideas helped him become the president. Okay, children? So, Abraham Lincoln taught himself law by borrowing books and studying from them. So, children, we all should not leave hope and courage in the worst situation of our life. Okay, children, because Abraham Lincoln was very poor person, but he kept start learning and he never give up, and with his hard work he completed his study and became the president of USA. Okay, children, now come to the concept. Here the main idea is what the passage is telling us about the topic. So many clues are given. Okay, the main idea is that Abraham Lincoln loved to learn and worked hard to become a lawyer and the president of the USA. Okay, now look the page number 16, SR 11. So here I'm telling you connectors. So what are connectors? Words that connect two sentences or two parts of a sentence without changing their meaning are called connectors. So connectors are and. It is used when both sentences are true or of equal importance. Like Mohit and Rohit are going to the school. But it is used to show contradiction, means opposite. Like Rohit purchased a book, but his friend purchased a pencil. Or shows there is one choice or optional choice. Like I love to eat I love ice cream or cold drink. There is another type of characters that's called sequence character. Sequence connectors are special types of connectors. They connect two events happening at the same time or one after the other. They tell us the sequence of events, like while. So it is used when two events happen at the same time. Before, so the sequence of two events happening after one after the other. And after, it is also so the sequence of two events happening one before the other. First, then, next, later, finally shows the sequence of events in a story or series of steps. Okay, children? So this is your concept of grammar connectors and sequence connectors. Now read this story again from your book and try to complete question answers and exercise related to this concept in your workbook. Okay, children. Next, we will meet soon. Till then, have a marvelous day. Thank you.